Mom, Dad, I'm okay. I had a few scrapes and stuff, but they washed them up and they're getting okay. I've caught a cold, but they're giving me pills for it, and so I'm not being starved or beaten or unnecessarily frightened. I've heard some press reports, and so I know that Steve and all the neighbors are okay, and that no one's really hurt. And I also know that the members here are very upset about press distortions of what's been happening. They have nothing to do with the August 7th movement, that they have not been shooting down helicopters or shooting down innocent people in the streets. I'm kept blindfolded, usually, so that I can't identify anyone. My hands are often tied, but generally they're not. And I'm not gagged or anything, and I'm comfortable. And I think you can tell that I'm not really terrified or anything. You know, I'm okay. I was very upset, though, to hear about the police rushing in on that house, and I was just really glad that I wasn't there. And I would appreciate it if everyone would just calm down and not try to find me and not be making identifications, because they're not only endangering me, but they're endangering themselves. I'm with a combat unit that's armed with automatic weapons, and there's also a medical team here, and there's no way that I will be released until they let me go. So it wouldn't do any good for somebody to come in here and try to get me out by force. These people are just a bunch of nuts. And they've been really honest with me, that they're perfectly willing to die for what they're doing. And I want to get out of here, but the only way I'm going to is if we do it their way. And I just hope that you'll do what they say, Dad, and just do it quickly. I've been stopping and starting to take myself so that I can collect my thoughts. That's why there's so many stops there. I'm not being forced to say any of this. I think it's really important that you take their request very seriously about not arresting any other members, and about following their good faith request to the letter. I just want to get out of here and see everyone again and be back with Steve. He is very interested in seeing how you're taking this down, and they want to make sure that you are really serious and listening to what they're saying. And they think that you've been taking this whole thing a lot more seriously than the police and the FBI and other federal people have been taking it. And it seems to be getting to the point where they're not worried about you worrying about other people, or at least I am. It's really as I am. It's really up to you to make sure that these people don't jeopardize my life by charging in and doing stupid things. And I hope that you'll make sure that they don't do anything else like that house business. These people really have been honest with me, and I feel pretty sure that I'm going to get out of here if everything goes the way they want it to. And I think you should feel that way too. And try not to worry so much. I know it's hard, but I heard that Mom was really upset, and that everybody was at home, and I hope that this puts you a little bit at ease, and that you know that I really I hope I can get back to everybody really soon. Probably.